Step back so y'all can get the full view of this. Yeah. Y'all gonna see what we're talking about over here in Houston. Y'all gonna see. Woo! Papa! Easy 60-70 pounder right there.
Oh my God.
And this is on a daily that we come out here and catch these. Just gotta find the right spot, the right time, and you're gonna catch a monster here in Houston.
Hey, Houston Bayou.
Houston Bayous, downtown Houston. Ay, papa.
Oh my God.
Woo! This is Lalo's first big one. First big one.
Oh my God.
And
dude.
this is bigger than anybody's caught before. Give me just a second, guys. We'll be right back with you. I'm gonna help him land this pig and we're gonna take more photos.